Hello everyone, welcome to Mirats Quanto DIY, the platform that gives you complete control over your research. If you ever wanted to create and launch surveys on your own terms, without delays, without middlemen, and without limitations, you're in the right place. With Mirats Quanto DIY, you don't just run surveys, you design the entire research experience. In this series, we'll walk you through everything step by step: account setup and onboarding, survey creation, survey setup and launch, and reconciliation. So, let's get started. So, everything begins with a unified login screen. As you can see, this is a single sign-on page, which means you only need to create an account once. One login gives you access to all our products, no multiple registrations, no repeated logins, just one account and complete access. So you need to enter your name, your mail, and your password, then enter your date of birth, enter your country, enter your mobile number, and enter your gender. You will get a verification email. So as you can see, you will get a mail to verify your account. So after verifying your email, you need to log into your account and start the onboarding process. In the onboarding process, you need to enter your organization name, select the time zone, select the currency, select tax ID type, enter your tax ID. As you can see, this is the expected drop rate and the expected quota rate. Enter your address. Enter your country, enter your state, enter your city, and enter your zip code. Now that you have filled up all your location details, you are successfully onboarded. Now that your account is set up and you are inside the platform, it's time to move on to the core of Mirats Quanto DIY, which is survey creation. In the next part, we'll guide you through how to create your survey, start building your research exactly the way you need it. So let's move ahead and begin creating a survey.